how to turn your YouTube setup from this to this. In this video, I will show you a simple lighting setup for YouTube videos using a cheap and budget-friendly studio lighting kit from Amazon. This lighting softbox might be exactly what you need to take your videos and home studios to the next level. The best part of it is how affordable and convenient it is. So guys, this was my setup before. In the room light. See how bad is it? Too much shadows in my face. So you need to step up your video to the next level. You should always invest in lighting. Most important, lighting. Even if you have the most expensive camera, if you don't have a good lighting and a good audio, the new videos will not be entertaining. So if I turn on the lights now, see the difference? No shadows. I'm well lit. Even if I turn off the room lights, still well lit. So this is the lighting setup we're using for YouTube. I bought it from Amazon for a pair of 2 lights. It's an LED light with softbox and 2 meters stand. 2-meter stand. Comes with a softbox. This is a softbox. Look how bright it is. It's an LED, smart LED light. 105 watts. Pair of 2. Comes with a smart remote so that you can control the light. You can control the intensity, 100, 50, 20%. You can choose a warm color, cold color, normal light. You can change the power also in this button, -1 or positive. You can change the Kelvin as well. So you can switch it off, switch it on. Important thing is lighting. So even if you have most expensive camera, if you're using a bad lighting setup, then it will be very bad. Okay, imagine taking videos like this with the most, even if I'm using a red camera like this, nobody will watch your videos. But if like this, even if you're using a mobile phone, it makes a difference. So hope you like this video. Don't forget to comment below. Below is the description of the item from Amazon. See you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.